Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
As we have already studied about the maintenance in previous videos, let us study about its type. There are three types of maintenance. First is the preventive maintenance. Routine servicing on a planned schedule to prevent failure is called preventive maintenance, is to preserve and enhance equipment reliability. Within a maintenance organization, PM usually accounts for a major proportion of the total maintenance effort. The main objectives of PM are: first, enhance capital equipment productive life; second, reduce critical equipment breakdown; third, allow better planning and scheduling of needed maintenance work; fourth, minimizing production loss due to equipment failure. Advantages of this are: first is the cost effective in many capital intensive process. It reduces the costly downtime. Third, it decreases cost of replacement. Fourth, reduces failures and breakdowns. And fifth is the increased life of equipment. Reactive breakdown and corrective maintenance. Reactive maintenance is basically the run it till it breaks maintenance mode. No action nor efforts are taken to maintain the equipment as the designer originally intended to ensure design life is reached. Reactive maintenance can be viewed as a double-edged sword. If we are dealing with new equipment, we can expect minimal incidence of failure. If our maintenance program is purely reactive, we will not expend manpower money or incur capital cost until something breaks. Usually, reactive maintenance is an unscheduled maintenance action basically composed of unpredictable maintenance needs that cannot be pre-planned or pre-programmed on the basis of the occurrence at a particular time. Advantages of this are: it is low cost as continuous monitoring is not required, and second is less persons are needed. The next is a predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance can be defined as the measurement that detect the onset of system degradation, lower functional state, thereby allowing causal stresses to be eliminated or controlled prior to any significant deterioration in the component physical state. Basically, predictive maintenance differs from the preventive maintenance by biasing maintenance need on the actual condition of the machine rather on some present schedule. Preventive maintenance is time-based maintenance. The advantage of preventive maintenance are: it increases component operational life and availability. It decreases in equipment or process downtime. It decreases in cost for parts and labors. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.